And welcome back to the Life of Brittany. Okay. By the title, we will be unboxing the James Charles mini palettes. I don't know what the name of this palette is, but Ulta baby. Today we're going to be opening the James Charles mini artistry palette by Morphe. Period. They came out with the mini palettes in October, so it's about to be a year since this mini palette came out, and I'm just now getting it. Mind your business, okay? Without further ado, let's unbox this palette. I like that it comes in bubble wrap because it's a curve, you feel me? But that's what it looks like if you have not seen it. I'm pretty sure you guys have. And this is the inside. Now, when they said mini, they meant mini boo, because okay, it's really like mini. And so for my transition color, I think I'm gonna go in with this orange right there. I shouldn't have went in with that. That's a little too bright. Sis. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, yes. Yes. Come through, James. Yes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe button. Check out the description box. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, boo. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out, boo.